I greet you all and I welcome you once again back to the channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to hide or delete a YouTube channel. Let's get straight into the video. Now we will visit YouTube, so youtube.com, and then on your home page I would like you to select settings. So either on the left side you scroll down, then choose select from there, or you click on your profile in the top right corner and then you select settings. Now on the settings page I want you to go to advanced settings. So either you click on the advanced settings on the left or you click on the view advanced settings. So on the advanced settings you can see delete channel. Now deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account. Let's take note of that. You will still have your Google account even though your channel has been deleted. Now you click on the delete channel, and then you would have to type in your password just to verify it's you, so YouTube can know that there is no other person who is envious of your channel and then just wants to delete your channel, but then it is you making that decision yourself. So you type in your password, you hit on next, and then on the next page you can see hide or delete your YouTube content or your content from YouTube. So you would have the option to hide your channel, then you also have the option to permanently delete your channel or your content. So I'll leave the reading to you. Do the reading yourself. Once you are sure of your decision whether to hide the channel or to delete it, you check your boxes, check the boxes, and then you hit on delete my content. Now you would have to retype in your password. This will permanently delete all your YouTube content, including all your videos, playlists, likes, subscriptions, comments, messages, etc. This data can't be restored. So we're saying that you should confirm by typing your email address. So you can do what I did, or you can just type in your email address and then hit on delete my content, and then that will be it. Your YouTube channel has been deleted. Thank you very much for your time.